Hello, it's Gordon here from Metaverse and Crypto, back to you with some new content on my channel. Sorry it's been a while since I've been updating my channel. Looking forward to providing some new content here. As we can see, right now I have the website for DefiKings up. I'm invested in DefiKings as a token, and given what's gone on in the space in the last year, things, and the downturn that's been going on in crypto, I've been looking for some new opportunities. Only really been kind of investing in those solid projects that I have. Currently, I'm not investing in too many new ones, but recently the trend that's kind of in vogue in DeFi space, there's been a lot of new tokens that are looking at doing trading bots, and whether that be arbitrage trading, forex, or doing things in the trading sphere. DeFi Kings is also moved into the space, and they're trusted individuals. Chris and Mike are the two individuals that run the DeFi Kings side of the space. They also have a DFK Gaming token as well, and both of these are incorporated in the United States. So I have a high confidence in these individuals. So what's happened with them? Or what they've done, I guess, is not necessarily what's happened. They've decided previously they had 2 rounds of NFTs come out, and their third round of NFTs, they launched it and they decided to attach to it a trading bot, access to a trading bot as part of the utility for the NFT. So for me, this was great because the individual that they have that's working with the trading bot is known to the team members through the DeFi Kings gaming side. Mike and Chris are both KYC'd, and like I said, I have a high degree of confidence in them. And for me to get into the trading bot, that individual that they're utilizing is not only in the crypto space, but he's also utilizing on the stock exchange, and he's doing trading on that side in what I'll call the real world space. So it gives us opportunities on both sides, because if you look at the crypto market over the last year, about February, March last year, there's about $2 trillion in the crypto side, and it's gone down to about $1 trillion market cap for all the cryptos that are there. And if you look at the equity side for the world market, it's 111 trillion. So having access to that larger area gives you a lot more opportunities to trade and make funds. As people are competing in the crypto space to get these trades, we can get some of those as well when they happen with our trading bot here at DeFi Kings, or maybe you can get some on the other sides in the equities market as well. So there's additional opportunities that I see here. Second thing is that when you look at the NFTs that we have here, I've gone over to the Dark Sea website. Dark's known in the space as doing great NFTs. Not only if you're into the artwork, but for 20 BUSD gets you into an NFT. We have a total supply of 2,551, as you can see, and we've currently sold out 486 of these. So if you have an extra 20 BUSD sitting in your wallet, come over to Dark Sea and mint yourself an NFT and get in. They are targeting returns in the 5x area. Of course, there's no guarantees with this, and this is not financial advice. I myself, it's just an investment that I'm looking at to diversify my portfolio. And like I say, it's a great opportunity that DeFi Kings is allowing by getting into this for what is a relatively minimal investment for most people. I know for some $20 is a lot. If you're coming from countries that where you can live off 20 US dollars for quite a bit. But I'm from Canada, and 20 BUSD is a small portion of my investment now when I look at after being in DeFi for a little over a year. So get access to this, and as I want to, I can mint out 1, 2, 3, 5 of these, or more, right? And if you get your 20 BUSD, if they do hit their target, you're going to be have $100 for each one NFT you mint. So again, those guarantees aren't given for the returns, but we're hoping to have some information on how they perform, because the first round of investments into these NFTs have already been placed with this individual on March 8th. The token. When I say we, I'm just an investor. So sorry for that if I'm creating a confusion, but they they have put in, I guess, the funds from the first round, and so September 8th will be 6 months, and that's when the returns are expected. So the money is there for 6 months, so it's locked in until you get your returns. And so and for me, if I get 2 or 3x on $20, that's a great investment, because if you look at what the banks are, what you're getting in other areas, for a nominal investment, I can get a great return and move forward. And it's not a mooning cryptocurrency by anything, but for me, it's a piece of my investment portfolio that I can get for when I have some reflections come in. I'm mostly into reflection tokens that I can put 20 BUSD into it and move forward. So if you look at the website here, just kind of this is our website. We move from the website to the Telegram for DeFi Kings. We have if you want to get in here, DefiKings.io is the website. All the socials are here in the corner, and you can get into the Telegram. We'll point you in the right direction to get you to Dark Sea and get the minting of these NFTs, and get you into some trading that will go forward, and it's going to be pretty lucrative in my opinion. That's why I'm invested in it. But of course, again, it's not financial advice, but if you're looking to diversify your portfolio, I definitely take a look at this and try and grab these opportunities. One thing I didn't mention that I'll get back to here, you can see the max supply is 2,551. That extra one on the end is a kind of the lucky golden ticket that you have, sort of thing, like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. If you get that lucky ticket, there's a special prize attached to that one. So get into the Telegram. Mike and Chris will hook you up with the prize. That actually hasn't been outlined what that is. I believe they've talked about some USD rewards above and beyond what the value I would think of the investment is. So it's looking at there's going to be the one big winning ticket. Otherwise, you're minted the different NFTs. And I didn't cover, there is different rarities because the NFTs were created prior to the utility being attached. So there's crowns, thrones, kings, queens, knights, and jesters, and I believe that's kind of the rarity kind of as it goes up. The rarity does not matter per se. You get different artwork, which is nice. So if you're into that, you can you enjoy the artwork. But the rarity, you get your $20 invested in the trading bot, no matter which rarity you get. So you don't get more or less funds depending on the higher or lower rarity. It's just because it's all manually tracked. So they decided to I guess forego kind of doing any kind of lower investment value for a lower rarity. So it's a great opportunity. So take a look at it. If you're interested in it, get into the Telegram and going around. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you in the DFK Telegram. Thanks. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.